Hello, and welcome to the Techtay Smart School Bell Schedule tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to connect the device to your phone or laptop and then create and save bell schedules easily. First, plug in and power on your Techtay Smart School Bell. Within a few seconds, the device creates its own Wi-Fi network for setup. Now open Wi-Fi settings on your phone or laptop. In the list of Wi-Fi networks, find the name Techtay_Smart School Bell. Tap on it to connect. The password is techtay@pt. Enter the password and wait until it says connected. After connecting, open any browser, like Chrome, and type this address in the URL bar: http://192.168.4.1. This will open the device's homepage. From here, tap Schedule. You are now inside the scheduling page of your Smart School Bell. Next, I'll show you how to add slots, choose times, pick bell sounds, and finally, save the schedule to your device. At the top of the page, choose your preferred language or voice folder. This controls which voice announcements will play for clip 4. To create a schedule, click Add Slot. A slot contains everything needed for one bell event. Fill the fields like this: display name, the text that shows on the device's screen; daytime, time for daytime schedule; morning time, optional morning time; clip 1, attention tone; clip 2, bell or warning sound, choose loop; clip 3, extra bell or warning, optional; clip 4, voice announcement file from the language you selected. For example, display name, prayer time; daytime, 10:45; clip 1, enabled; clip 2, bell, loop 2; clip 3, warning, loop 1; clip 4, file, prayer time. You can add as many slots as you want. For Monday to Friday, add them under the first tab. For Saturday, tap the Saturday tab and add separate timings there. When your schedule is ready, click Save Local to store a copy on your browser. To activate the schedule on the device, press Save to Device. This sends all the slots to the Smart School Bell and stores them permanently. Click Reload to check the current schedule saved in the device. If everything shows correctly, your schedule is live. That's it! You've learned how to connect the Techtay Smart School Bell to your phone or laptop, open the schedule page, create slots, and save them to your device. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your fully automated school bell.